Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to secure our or how to generate a SSL certificate using certbot on our CATCR server. Okay, so this is our server right now. Is not running on HTTPS. As you can see, we're not running on HTTPS, so we need to configure it so that we can run a secure connection. Okay, so to do that, we need to configure the uh, SSL. So you can go here. So we need to do an update first. Okay, so you need to go on your SSH and then do this update, get update. So after that, you need to install the certbot. Okay. Okay, so just copy and paste and then run it onto your server. Okay, so we need to wait until, okay, gonna clear this one and then go back again here. So from here, this is your domains, so just copy this one. Okay, and then go here, paste, and then replace the site with your real domain. Okay, okay, and the other is the www. Okay, so space then hyphen d space www dot then your domain. Okay, and then enter, and then he said put your email address, so I'll just put my email address and then enter. Okay, yes. Do you want to receive some news or etc., so just prefer no. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it said check yeah. Okay, we need to remove this one because I don't have www. I don't have cname in my file. Okay. Yeah, it said it's installed. Okay, so we need to double check now this one. Nano slash h xngx and then site available got tr. So from here you need now to uncomment. Where is that? So this one is for, okay, so from your server name, so we need to replace this one. Okay, to our real domain subdomain. Okay, I need to check. Where's the default? Okay, so xngx next.com. Double check on here. So I just disabled this one, so I need to re-enable again. Okay, just remove. Okay, okay, and then service xngx xnigx restarted. Okay, so we got an error. As you can see, always check the error. He said Nixon 57 test failed. So still getting error on here. So we need to configure the SSL part. How can I put the SSL? He said on line 59 sslg.com line 57. Okay, only this one. Let me comment. Okay, let me check. Okay. Okay, let's check our documentation. Okay. Installation requirements. Installation. Do, 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 do. Okay, check the firewall. Okay, so firewall service firewall D status. Okay, so we need to check our security group. Security group. So we have HTTPS on here. Okay. Okay, so we need to configure our VOs. Okay, so HXX GINX site available RTR. So from here, so HTTP. So we need to update. Okay, so from here, okay, server, we can put okay, so from here, so you need to identify server. Okay, so city I'm gonna replace my old site 30R. Okay, so this will be the settings, and then service, restart, status, then if I refresh, okay, as you can see we are now on HTTPS. So if I remove, okay, it's automatically redirected. So this one is admin at cartap, and then password. Okay. Okay, so hope you are enjoying our videos. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'm gonna paste the HTTP config here. So it's in your vhost. You can remove first and update using this one. I'm gonna replace first the I will replace this one, just replace it with your real domain. So for now, and then okay, so all the HBO link should be replaced with your real domain. Okay, thank you. Okay, so hope you are enjoy our video, so that you always updated on our latest video. So once again, this is HBD tutorial, and thank you again for like our video and shared. Bye bye, and see you for the next video. Bye.